Now we look at a term called power of the lens. Power of the lens or power of the mirror, because so far we have seen only mirrors. We'll just think about the mirrors first, then go for the lenses. First we'll see what is the power of the mirror. See here, power of the mirror can be defined as the ability of a mirror to deviate the path rays, deviate the path of the rays incident on it. That means how far it can deviate this. So here you can think of power can be the reciprocal of focal length 1 by f. So power of the mirror can be defined as 1 by f. And here generally f is taken in centimeters. Therefore, you generally take power is equal to 100 by f in centimeter. But whereas if we are taking in meters, its units are going to be diopters. So diopter is nothing but meter inverse in fact. So power of the mirror can be defined as the reciprocal of the focal length. See here, if at all you are considering a concave mirror like this, here whenever a parallel beam of light is falling on that, so it is converging at a point. So this is called as a converging mirror. So in case of the converging mirror, the power of the lens is going to be positive. Whereas in case of convex mirror, so this is the incident light. So in case of this is a converging mirror, that is concave mirror. You can call it as a concave mirror. Similarly, if you think of convex mirror, so convex mirror, inner edge is polished. So whenever a parallel beam of light is falling on that, it will get reflected back here. So the ray is reflected back here, and if you take the extension of this, they are meeting at a point here. Either if it is object is infinity, then it is at the focus, or if it is moving towards the pole, then it will be between the pole and focus. So here in this case, so this is the actual reflected ray and you are taking behind the mirror. That is the reason power is going to be negative in case of convex mirror. So this is how you can define the power of the mirror, the ability of a mirror to deviate the path of the rays incident on it. So for concave mirror, convex. Converging mirror, it's positive, and diverging mirror, this is the diverging mirror. In case of the diverging mirror, it is negative. So these are the points you need to remember. It's a small definition to keep in mind.